Hello students, today I will be discussing our second program of OS Lab Part A, and the program is to calculate the average waiting time and average turnaround time using FCFS CPU scheduling algorithm. Now in this case, we have assumed that all the processes have come at time 0, and we are not going to draw any Gantt chart. Today I will not discuss the logic of the program, but instead I will show you the working of the program. I am using online compiler, and to execute this code I have clicked on execute button here, and if you see what is the output here, it says enter number of processes. In our classrooms, we have calculated the average waiting time and average turnaround time for various CPU scheduling algorithm, but in that case, we already had the problem statement, okay? Now, in our program, we don't have any problem statement, so we are going to ask the user itself how many processes are there and what is the burst time associated with each and every process. And we also assume that the arrival time of each and every process is 0, so it becomes easy and simple for us. So it says enter number of processes. I'll type 3. Then it says enter the burst time for each process, and it is asking, it is waiting for us to enter the burst time of process P1. So I'll enter 5. For P2, I will enter 1. You can enter any numbers. For P3, I will enter 7. Okay. Now, so these are our processes P1, P2, P3, and along with that processes, we are printing the burst time of each and every process here. And if you see, what is the waiting time of process P1? 0. Waiting time of process P2 is 5. Waiting time of process P3 is 6. So here we have written a code which calculates the waiting time of each and every process. We are not showing any Gantt chart in our program. Then we have also calculated the turnaround time of process P1. So that's 5. Turnaround time of process P5 is 6. And turnaround time of process P3 is 13. And then we have calculated the average waiting time, that is 3.67 milliseconds. Actually, I forgot to put ms in the program. We can always edit our printf statement and we can write that ms for milliseconds. And average turnaround time is 8 milliseconds. So very simple. For our understanding, I'm just inputting 3 processes, P1, P2, P3, and the burst time associated with each and every process, 517. And you see our program is calculating the waiting time as well as the turnaround time of each and every process. It also calculates the average waiting time and average turnaround time. So that's all for the day.